Mount up.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make.
Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Well, as you can see, the sun is starting to go down and over the hills there, and I'm going to do some dinner tonight. I'm going to make some burgers on the blackstone flat top, but this is going to be a burger I've never made before, and I'm going to use an ingredient that I haven't had in probably 30 plus years. We're going to test it out. We're going to put it on this burger, and we're going to taste this burger and see what it comes out like. So let's get our aprons on and get into this cook. Should be a good one. My wife doesn't know I'm doing this, so be interesting. See what it tastes like. Okay, we're out here at the Rshack Cook Shack, and we're going to be doing our burgers out here. Cheers. That's good lemonade. So the first ingredient we're going to be doing that I've never done before is eggs on a burger. So we're going to do fry up some eggs for it. And then also Spam. I haven't had this for 30 plus years. I don't think my wife has ever had it. We're going to fry it up, put it on the burger too, see what it tastes like. So let's open this up. Okay, let's crack this thing open. Kind of looks like cat food. There it goes. Doesn't that look delicious? Let's just cut this into slices. Okay, so there we got some slices. Let's get our buns ready. So for the buns, all I'm going to do is take some mayonnaise, put it on it. Like so. Our grill is just about up to temp, so we will get over to the grill here in just a moment. And we will go from there. Okay, so I have this side on low and this side on hot, or medium. We're just going to take some olive oil, get it all over this thing. Like so. We need to get our burgers going. I just bought pre-made patties. I'm not putting any salt or pepper on these. We're just going straight up meat. So we'll get these on here. Okay, like I said, I got this side on low for the eggs. I'll let this go over here. I'm going to show you a little trick that I'm going to do. I have a mason jar lid without the middle piece. I'm going to set this down on here like so. Take one of the eggs. Put it right in there. That'll kind of keep it all right inside there. Press down on these fingers there. Yeah, the bag's in there. That ain't a spatula. This is a spatula. Let's build one of these spam burgers. Like a burger down on there. Take one of the eggs, lay that right on top. Piece of spam. And a couple of tomato wedges here. Goes on there. Some lettuce. Out here to do a taste test of this burger. She has no idea what I've done to it.
None.
And she's not even gonna look at it. She's just gonna bite.
Right.
So.
No olives?
No olives. There's no olives on it.
All right.
Take a nice big old bite of it and tell me what you honestly think.
Mmm. That's really good.
Yeah.
Got an egg on there.
Yeah.
What else?
Well, you can't look. Take another bite. See if you can try to
I don't
figure
know
it
what
out.
that is.
You have to try to figure it out.
I'm not sure about that other meat product.
Are you ready to find out what
I'm
you
a
just...
little concerned.
Why do you look like you're about ready to spit it out? Fried spam. Have you ever had fried spam before?
No.
No? This first time, huh?
Can't say that I have.
Yeah. Have you ever had egg on a burger before?
Never had egg on a burger.
I've never had egg on a burger either.
I like the egg. I'm not crazy about the spam. So there you go.
Well, she's a trooper. Alrighty.
Burger's good though.
That was her taste test, so I'll get her a real burger now.
Thank
so
you.
She can enjoy it the way she wants to make it.
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you for being game and trying it.
Okay.
Let's try part of this egg and spam burger. Wow. It's pretty good. That's actually really good. I would have never thought egg on a burger would be good, but that's pretty good. Definitely worth a try. Wow. Yeah. I don't know if I would put ketchup on it. Just like that, it's perfect. Not bad at all. Let me try a piece of that Spam just by itself. That Spam. I don't know. That's not bad. Doesn't taste weird. Doesn't taste bad at all. It's actually really good. But yeah, you saw how I did that here on the Blackstone. Just did up the burgers, fried up the ham, Spam, fried up the eggs, used that little retainer ring. Worked out pretty good. Kept all the eggs kind of in a central location. So that's a good tip to do. And you know, I'm just doing it here on the flat top. Get the one side down on low, the other side on medium high. So I can do up those burgers, doing up a few more burgers. But yeah, actually, I like it. I like it a lot. That's really good for a quick and easy dinner. Now I got some fries going on in here too, frozen fries. So we'll just keep it rolling. Well, as I always say, thank you for watching. You can do this too. Real on, my friend.